is Banana. Today I want to introduce Scratch Part 5. First we open up Scratch first. We just need to wait, no, yeah, wait, you're letting it, wait, 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 wait. Mama, untuk apa sih puan? Now I will explain bosan sing. Okay, first like me. I have many mm, many, so later let me see. There's some touching color. It's color and this stand for mouse painter. First, I'll explain about touching mouse painter. Uh, I will explain both if or then. Okay, if touching mouse painter, she will say hello. Okay, we need forever. That all thing need forever. Inside, out of it. Let's try. Just kiss this pouch. Okay, then try. If touch him often, she will say when we doesn't touch it. She will doesn't say hello. When we touch it, say hello. If it doesn't, she doesn't say hello. Okay. Next. Next, touching color. Okay, then touching color this. If we click this color green, it will change. We can change what did we want. Our color blue. No, I will paint first. Find something that I can use. I'll use an apple. So, we will say eat. Eat apple. Eat apple. Apple. Okay, eat apples. Now, so we need to. We can see what should we pick. Then, wait. Okay, I'll use this all color can. So if she is touching color on it a little bit like the color blue, that only she needs to touch all of the color so she can start it. Okay. So and they say eat apples. Then till it will be gone. Okay. Okay, so if we touching color black, she'll say eat apple, eat apple. She means she will touch the apple. Next, spread of white. Next, if color not touching, it mean like when. Let me see. What should we pick? Okay, let's see. What should we do? What should we do? Let me see if it touching. Okay, it's touching color black. It's mean like when the cat when the cat is touching when the apple is touching when the color of his body she will say eat apple, but it's all touching It's different when the she need like touching. How about is the cat is color duplicated? How about if the cat is color like what we make? We will make color blue. How about this body's color blue? This color blue. Oh, his body will color blue. Okay, like good. Okay, if it touching the color, like she will doesn't it. But if we change this, while the cat color is color blue, she will say eat apple. But if we use this, he will doesn't because the cat color is not same as the cat color. This is the apple color. This is the cat color. We will pick the cat color blue. So when the color boy touching the apple color, she will say eat apple. Then next. Okay, letter distance. Oh, letter distance. This I will exit later. Oh, it's mean like the distance from the mouse pointer to the cat. Doesn't mean too much. Okay, I will exit later. Okay. Now we will explain about this first. We see something in here. What should we do? X is a same one. There's no answer. Let me see. Event. Hmm. X, what is your name? There be the answer in the back. When we told, I will give OOTD. Okay, let's try. Like mean like when we meet what X your name is mean the answer is top of this. I made it like I will put the name is I will put it become 1, 2, 3. Where is it? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, like when she is okay is also TD. She will be changed into one. Okay, let me do it again. Ha. Right? It's mean when they exit. This is the answer. Okay. Okay. Let's erase it. Erase you. Erase you. The key space preset. Key space preset is mean when the key is pressed. If the key is pressed, the key upper row is pressed. She will. mm, mm, Next backdrop, okay? We need forever to make it. See, let's try. We will push out her color bodies. Let's be, but use next costume. Okay, let's try. If there will be next costume when the up. Wait. Okay. Okay, but when the up arrow is clicked, just see. Okay, this is the up arrow. Let's say wait. Let's wait 1 second so we can see. Just say wait. See, when we click the up a row, it will change her costume. See, I click up the up a row and will change her costume. She wait 1 minute, she will change. Then she will change her costume. Okay. And okay. Then we keep press it up. Next, mouse down. Let's erase it first. No, wait, just it. Emote that is mean when we click. If we click the right of it, we click the left of the mouse or the left of the mouse, he will change into costume. The next costume. When we click the left and we click the right. Okay, right one and the cat. Next. Okay, I will do a bit. Okay, bring it. About. Oh, what's happening? Oh, let's make it in English. Okay, then. Get to. I will say. Mouse down. I will say about. This mark area mark and I will. Oh, I know what we see better. I think I don't need it. I not very needed because it's timer. Reset. Reset it. Okay, later I'll explain username, distance, current year. Current year is like the year. It's story with a Q. 2020. Then username, timer, and loudness. Where is the loudness? I'll explain another one, okay? In part 6. We'll explain about it. Oh, don't forget to click subscribe and the bell. And don't forget to share this video to your friend or your family in long journey. Okay, take